Welcome to this video on iOS XR 741 enhancement. My name is Tejas Lad and I am a technical marketing engineer in the Cisco MIG. In this video, we will discuss the feature BLB and BoB coexistence on NCS 5500 and NCS 500 series routers. Prior to 741, we already supported BoB and BLB separately, but with XR 741, we will be supporting its coexistence as well. Coexistence means when BLB and BoB sessions are on the same bundle interface. The feature is supported on all the platforms including NCS 540, NCS 560 and NCS 5500. We support two modes, inherit and logical. When the inherited mode is configured, BLB always creates a virtual session and the session has no real packets. In logical mode, BLB will create real sessions even when BoB is on. Let's check it through a demo on the router. We will check the version. It says 741. We have a bundle interface configured on two routers, that is router 1 and router 2. Let's see the running config of the bundle interface. We can see the bundle interface configurations. It just has an IPv4 address. Let's check the status of the bundle ether interface. We can see it is in up state and has two 400 GB member links. Now let us configure the basic configurations for BFD multipath and coexistence. We will include the location of the interface in the slot. And we will also configure the coexistence configuration. We have two modes as we discussed earlier, inherit and logical. In this example, we will configure the logical mode. Similar configs we will do on the second router. Multipath location and the BLB coexistence configuration. Again, we will configure the logical mode. Once the configuration is done, we will configure BoB on the bundle interface. We will configure the multiplier, the timer, and IPv4 fast detect with bundle mode IETF. We are using multiplier 3. This is an example config. The configuration can be different as per the use cases. Minimum interval 300. This will bring our BoB configs completion on first router. Similar configs we will do on the second router bundle interface. Here also we will give the similar timers and the multiplier. Once the configuration is done on both the routers, the BFD session should come up. We will check the status in a few seconds. Let's check the status on the first router. We can see it is getting configured. It is in init state. Within few seconds, it should come in up state. Let's check the output again. We can see the BFD session has come up on both the member links and it is showing up on the bundle interface as well. So our BoB session has come up. Let's check the detailed output. We can see the client as bundle manager. The interface is bundle ether 30 and the state is up with and configured with all the necessary flags. BI meaning bundle interface and IB meaning IATF bundle mode. We also have the member links and the client as bundle manager. Now let's configure BLB. For that, we will check what is there as the bundle VLAN sub interface. We will configure this under the router ISIS. We will add the interface, that is bundle ether 30.1. We will mention it as point-to-point. We will give the BFD configs under the bundle ether interface. BFD fast detect IPv4. And we will mention the address family. We will do similar configs on the second router. Under the router ISIS, we will add the bundle ether sub interface 30.1 and give the similar BFD configs as we did on the first router. Once we configure this, we should see our BLB session 2 should come up and we will verify the coexistence. Let's check the output on the first router. We will check the BFD session details. First, let's verify the ISIS neighborship. We can see the ISIS neighborship has come up. Now we will check the BFD session in detail. First, we will check on the bundle ether interface. And we can verify our BoB session is still up. We can check that we have the client as bundle manager. Now let's check the BLB session. We can see the BLB session is up as well with client as ISIS and whatever configurations we have done for the BFD. We can check the flags as well, where we have specified that BL means the BFB type is BLB. And we can also verify that this is a multipath session. If you need further details, you can visit our xrdocs articles on BoB and BLB. Hope this video was useful. Thank you.